Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create highly converting Shopify product description pages, right? So I'll share with you the template that you can use to basically make more sales for your store, whether you're just starting from scratch or you already have a store on a certain level and you want to scale it up. Now, the product page is one of the most important pages on your site because like if people are not convinced about your product on your product page, and that's pretty much like where you're driving like most of your traffic, right? In most of the cases, if you're selling e-commerce products, then it doesn't matter, all of the other pages don't matter at all, right? So this is extremely valuable part of your funnel, right? And in this video, I will share with you exactly the template that you can use to make your product description convert, to make your product page convert, and to get you more sales, more profits for your business. So I'll share everything in detail. I'll share the template that generates multiple 7 figures for us, and you can utilize it for your business. So use it, steal it for yourself, and use it for yourself.
Hey guys, so in this video I'll guide you through the high converting product description copywriting template. So that's basically the framework that you can use for creating all of the product pages. So just to show you the example, because I'll show you the example and then we'll go like step by step and see why it's basically successful. So basically, like some of the main rules here is to have as many visuals as possible, because as people on the go, they they see information, and the information they see is processed much faster than the information they read and stuff. So it's always good practice to have as much like visual information and videos inside of your like description as possible. So as you can see here, one of the examples of good converting product pages here. As you can see, it just follows all of these rules, like as many visuals as possible here. Like one visual, second like video, another one, right? So visuals, then we have videos if available, right? So I give you this template that, we tested a lot of templates. So after like if this one, like you get the most out of it, then you can test other ones, but you can use this one as a framework. And another one, like another point that you need to understand is like when you sell your product, you have to like really sell it, right? You have to be like quite aggressive with selling it. So when you like, as you can see here, like the description, like there's a lot of like description features, right? Description here, and there are people, for example, in in other countries, like in Philippines, who can create these descriptions for you like quite easily. They can do it for any one of your products and make it like very like legit looking, right? So here again, like starts with this big headline, right? And then it goes to describe. There is a bit of text, visual, text, visual, text, visual, text, visual. So as you can see, it just goes. And then these are standard by with this theme. So you can see if that is that is good. Like you can decide, you can see this template first, like you can use it, and then after that you can test other ones. So here, as you can see, I've included also the badges, right? So with this template, badges are already included, like trust badges. So if you're using booster team, like they'll be included, but I've included them for you so you can utilize them. And also guarantee. So at the bottom of it, you can include the guarantee. So if you want to have, for example, if you want to have the guarantee for customer to assure them that if they're not like happy with the product, then they can simply return it, or there's some like return policy, refund policy that you can also include that in here. So what I'll do now is I will use the product that I have created previously. So that was bracelet, right? Bracelet that I have created previously, and I will modify this bracelet according to this template. So we'll just make it even, even better looking, right? And so we'll make it look better. So first we'll find this product. Or we can just use any of these products that are available here. Let's see. Okay, if we use this one, let's say. So let's see like how this one looks, and then we'll improve the description of it so it includes like all of the points that we have discussed, right? So let's see how it looks first. So at the moment, as you can see, it only has a description here. It's not very like sophisticated, right? So what we can do here is basically include more of that like of those points that we have just discussed. So let's do this right now. So images here, as you can see. So as you can see, we can preview this image. And so we can basically do like make the screenshots from this image specifically, and then we can add these images throughout the description. So I'll do screenshots first, and then I'll show you how to do that. So you do screenshots. So now we have these images here, so we can now also add them here. So, and we will follow the exact template that I gave you. So the beginning, you can see like we focus on like on the main. We start with the main headline, right? So we start with this headline. So this is sterling silver heart ring. Okay, so we start with this. And so we make it big here, right? So we just want to make sure that it's quite like big so people can see it properly. Like that is this text, we can reduce in size. And we would add the description here for this specific product. So, okay, so for some reason it just like edits all of the description. So for this one here, just make it say 4. So we would add this description. So we would add, for example, this wonderful ring is made from silver. So we would add this, then just using our templates, right? So more detail about the main benefit here. So with that, maybe few more sentences. Everyone. So something like this, right? And as I mentioned before, you can hire someone to write all of these descriptions for you. So we have more. We have more text here. We have some benefits here, as you can see. So here we'll add another image. Okay. So we just write some description. And then again, we would include some image here. And so if you have any like specific details about the product, like you can include like bullet points here. So your goal is just to give customers as much information as possible about the product, and also like give them as much like visual information as possible. So we have like feature 1 description, then image, feature 2 description, then image, maybe a few bullet points, video if available, feature 3 description, feature 4 description, and stuff like that. More images, the better usually. So you would have as many images as possible. So this team specifically, it has these badges on the bottom, so you wouldn't have to add them. But what you can add here is the guarantee, right? So the guarantee here, as you can see, we just added here, and so we just modified this page in like a few minutes, right? It could have taken even less if you wanted to, and so once you do this more often, or once your like assistant does it, it can literally take just a few minutes. So we have some decent, like we have some text, we have some like descriptions, some images here, so it looks good, and we can sell it for right, we can sell this item now, right? So that is the template, and what I've done is I've included some of the another templates for you, and you can see like they all pretty much follow similar model, right? So for example, this one has these bullet points, and it has a lot of visuals, and this is one of the like longest running ads in overall in Shopify, right? For all Shopify stores. And you have this one. See how this one is structured. So all of them, they might not be like very like sophisticated in terms of like description, but in terms of visuals, they have quite a lot of visuals. Like this one here has video as well. Now this one here The same thing here applies. They have a lot of images. As you can see, it looks very, very nice. And so starts again with a big headline, then a lot of images, like more images than text, right? So very nice. And then $84, so pretty good margins on this product, as this product costs like 20 something dollars. So you can see the like once you have the description, you can charge, and once you have like properly structured product pages, you can charge more for your product and still get away with it. People will still buy. And so what I've done is I have included these images and templates for you. So I just want to show you. So here, if you go here through this link, you'll find all of these templates and examples. And so I have included some of the examples I've created for you, and some of the examples that from other stores, and also I've included some of the badges. So you have all of the information, all of the like necessary content required to put together these highly converting product pages. Because if you have highly converting product pages, that's, you know, that might impact your conversion rate very significantly. So that's why you would want to have them set up. And so here, like if you go through these templates, or just if you go through any of the examples that I have sent you, like you'll find this, like the example of the page that you can set up. So once you set it up, as I've said, you can have it like edit it later, you can modify it later, but just use this as a main framework until, you know, at least you get to like 7 figures, like 6 figures per month in sales. After that, you can start testing more stuff and you can just modify it. But this is a proven template, so you can just use this as your reference point. So this is it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.